rhythmic today. So imagine that we're going to play rhythm sticks or wood blocks, something like that. And my computer is a little bit slow in following me right now, and I don't really know why, but it should get to our next slide in just a second. There we go. So you have your 1 beat, 2 beat, and 3 beat choices. Okay, these are what you can use. I have X's instead of circles just because I thought they would be easier for you to draw. Because basically what you're going to be doing is the next slide in Nearpod is what's called a draw it slide. So you should be able to pick your pen color and draw right on this page that you see here will be on that, and you draw right on it. So each of these little lines is a single beat, and the way that you can compose is to, we saw quite a few of these types of rhythms, so you can do a bunch of these. I don't want everything to be exactly the same. I would like for you to throw in a little bit of variety, but if my computer will cooperate here, I can do a couple example things for you. So, excuse you. It's thinking too hard today. There we go. I'll wait for my dot to show up. So I'll give you a couple examples. Hello. Come back, please. We need you. I think my computer knows that it's close to the end of the week as I'm filming this. It's losing its patience with me for all the programs that I'm running on it right now, but that's okay. Ooh. All right. Yes, Ocean. Here we go. Okay. So an eighth note all by itself you could totally do, but if you're going to do more than 2 in a row, I would suggest just using this guy here. So by itself, your eighth note takes up 1 line and has a flag. This might not go so well. A line. What is happening with my computer today? Why are you saying, why is this happening? Well, I'm in the middle of working on it. Saving the auto recovery file. We're not going to need to recover it. PowerPoint, thank you though. All right, a line, hopefully, and a flag. If you put an eighth rest, again, it's going to be, maybe it'll appear. Nope, that's not what I drew. This is becoming a little frustrating because this is not the first video that this has lost its, like it stopped working on. And I don't have a ton of things open, so it shouldn't be giving me so much trouble. Let's try. One more time. Okay, that's not as cute as it should be, but you get the idea. If I was going to do 2 16th notes, like 2 8th, like a TT, both X's need to be on a single line. And we'll wait and see if they show up. There they are. And then our line, and our line, and our connecting line, which is good enough for now. There it is. There's going to be another one because I just did it again. So both X's have to be on that one space holder because there is 2 sounds for the 1 beat. Okay, a 2 beat note like this, like a ta or a quarter rest, means that whatever happens in the next measure, it can't be anything, basically. So this is in charge of both of these. So this keeps holding over because it takes up 2 beats. And then we have one more beat to fill, so we can do another eighth. Okay, so we have 1, 3, and 4, 6. To use a 3-beat note, like a dotted quarter, there it is with a dot. We would literally not use the next 2 lines. The next 2 places are taken up by this 3-beat long note. 1, and then to use this fun friend here, 1x per line, three stems, give them a bar at the top. You have 3/8 notes. So this is 1, 4, 5, 6. The only thing I ask is that you don't do a whole 4 measures full of the same 1 beat. Change it up a little bit. These are 1 beat, so they just have 1 line. These are 2 beats, so you're going to draw on one, and then you're going to have a blank one next door that nothing is on. And these 2, you're going to draw, oops, hold on, I want a smaller line. You'll do, draw it on the first blank, and then nothing for the next 2 blanks. And for this one, each of them get their own blank. I did a really poor job of that, but each of them get their own blank, and then you connect them at the top. If you have questions, let me know. If the draw it thing doesn't work, let me know, and we will troubleshoot and see what we can do. If you don't do this part, then you cannot get full credit for this assignment. So this is, instead of the quiz question, this is what your assignment is. I hope that it will be, I'm sure it will be easier for you on the Nearpod than it is for me with this impatient PowerPoint presentation, that my computer is also like uploading stuff, videos to the YouTube for the Nearpods and all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot going on, which is probably why my computer is currently so slow, I just realized. But if you have any questions, let me know, and I will be happy to